make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes and 200 views. Alright, so today we are building some Lego friends actually. It's like this camping set with Mia and her, actually that's a bear, you can see. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to be building this. So let's get started trying to open this. So I really love Legos. I have a humongous Lego set in my closet. Actually, and it's really cool. Finally got it. I actually haven't built Lego Friends in a while. Alright. So we have the base, some little pieces, some also littler pieces, and then the pretty big pieces, and the instructions, and the stickers. Alright, so let's get started with this. So it has the same thing on the instructions. And of course, number one is always the person. So you have to find Mia. Found her. Alright. Oh, see, she needs a helmet instead of hair. Alright. And I always grab her little pet to always get next to her. Alright. Of course, I have to open another bag. Alright, so now I'm opening this little bag. She has a pretty cool helmet, and I thought she had no hair, but her hair's on there. Okay. Now I need to find her. This is pretty hidden. Her walkie-talkie is really hidden. Maybe it's in here actually. Sorry. Found it. It's in here. Alright, so now we can start building. So her body goes on her body. And her head. Then her helmet. She always wears a braid. That's what she looks like. Her hair sticking out. She's pretty cute. So we have section 1. Okay, now for her walkie-talkie. We need sticker 2. So I'm going to put on the sticker, build this, and start building the other one. So I will be right back. Okay, so I made a little table. I did her walkie-talkie, and I think it looks really cute. So I decided to dump out the bags because I think it would be easier to just do that and keep looking in different bags. Comment down below in the comment section if you agree. Alright, so the bags are all dumped out. So I need this little gray square. So I need to look for the little gray square, and this is the little gray square. Alright, so I need 2 blue things. Then I put it on like this. And if you didn't know, we are making a little skateboard. Alright. Then we need 1 and 2. Now I flip it over. And we put it on like this. Hey, if you have this, comment down below in the comment section if you have the exact same Lego set. This is what I have so far. Alright, now we have to put these little things on it. Just like that. Now, we're getting to the cool parts. We need tiny, tiny, tiny corners like this. Got the wrong colored corners. Get this off. Alright, so we need a dark blue. I thought it was going to be a different color. Guess not. So if you like this video, which I love it, comment down below because I kind of want to know. Actually, don't comment down below that. Comment down below what video I should do next. Then I will do it. Okay. Did it the wrong way. Okay, I can't really get this off and I did it the wrong way. Oh, got it off. I was going to pause the video. So it's supposed to go up. I don't know what this is. But I know it's somewhat the skateboard. Alright, time for the fun part. The wheels. Is there only 3 wheels? No. I was gonna say. Freaking things. And I did it the wrong way again. So I'm gonna pause the video. I need like some serious help. So I will be right back when I have the full skateboard. Alright, so I finished this. This was so frustrating. So I figured it out and yeah. It was so cool. This is so cute. I love it. And look, if you look closely, there's a little frog. It's so cute. I'm supposed to be doing my video, but I'm not even. I'm just like showing you. Hold on. And it goes on the ramp. It's so cool. Alright, so let's start with the tree. So this goes right here. Alright, I'm going to move this so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. So I have to do this, put a dark green flower right there, and we're on to the next page. So we need this piece. And then we need another one of these. Like that. And then we put a purple flower on top of the green flower. And then we have this bridge, goes right here. And then this tall piece right here. And then we have a little piece right there. And then we have this kind of big piece right there. It's like stems or a tree. And then I wonder what's Stewie. Oh my god, please show Stewie, camera person. He is in.
Whose birthday is it?
Oh, by the way, it is his birthday. He is so cute. He's one finger.
Happy birthday, Stewie.
Say hi. He never goes in there. I don't know why he's in there. I think he's like thinking like I'm the birthday king. Right. Then we need this to go right here. We have this really small piece. Goes right there. Alright. We have this humongous crazy piece. Oh my gosh. What are you doing to our plants? Okay, so this is like an apple thing, but we don't put that on yet. So we have this hole in the middle of it. I'm going to put it right here. Then we have this. Put it through. And I put the apple onto it. And you can push out the apple. It's like, whew. It's cool. Alright. Then we have another hole. Another whole piece. And then put this thing in here. Like that. Alright. Now we need this piece to go right here. now I'm going to do the rest and I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, so this is the finished product. It's so cute, and look what can happen to the honey. I don't know if you watch this. She takes off her walkie-talkie and see this red thing, which I thought it was an apple. Pull it. Not to the point where it falls off. Hold on, let me fix this. Alright, let me pull it now. Let me pull it. And then the honey falls towards the bear, and the bear can eat the honey. Alright, so guess what time it's for? Shout-outs! So the first shout-out goes to Samantha Bremy. Thank you for commenting, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and I will get you some merch! And then the next shout-out goes to Diane Knaus. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and commenting. I will also give you some merch. So that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!